Need to open a bank account, start a business, or apply for a loan? You'll need a T.R.N, your Taxpayer Registration Number. Let's show you the fast way to get your T.R.N. A T.R.N is a unique 9-digit number issued by Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ. It's essential for banking, taxes, and many official transactions. Visit the TAJ website and download the T.R.N application form. Fill in your details carefully, exactly as they appear on your ID. Double-check before submitting. Bring a valid photo ID. If applying for a minor, a parent or guardian must sign the form. Submit your form in person at a tax office or mail it if applying from overseas. Your T.R.N is usually ready the same day for in-person applications. If applying from abroad, expect an email confirmation followed by a mailed T.R.N card. Remember, applying is free. Just ensure your information is correct to avoid delays. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for your T.R.N in Jamaica. Whether you're opening a bank account, starting a business, or handling taxes, your T.R.N is essential. Need more help? Visit the TAJ website or your nearest tax office today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others.